How to manage subscriptions on Google Play. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage subscriptions on your Google Play. For that, step 1 is to open the Play Store app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Once you're here, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. This pop-up will appear. From here, select the option of Payment and Subscriptions. From this menu, you want to select the option of Subscriptions. Now, from here, all of your subscriptions are displayed. It is going to list all of your Google Play subscriptions over here. Tap the subscription you want to see more information about. The information screen for that specific subscription is shown. This is where you will find any options to pause or restart payments for a Google Play subscription. From here, you can change your subscription type or cancel a subscription if you no longer want it. You can also check out the date when the subscription will renew and what your current plan is. You will also be able to find your primary and backup payment methods from here. So with this, you will be able to manage your subscriptions from this tab. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.